It's the Indian Political League, it's the dance of democracy, and now it's happening in Tamil Nadu. Yes, elections are due in Tamil Nadu on the 16th of May, and India's finest journalist, Rajdeep Sardesai, is now having breakfast. He's having idli, he's having dosa, he's having filter coffee, and a conversation along with it. Let's quickly cut across live now to Chennai, where we are joined in by Rajdeep Sardesai.
Thanks very much, Sanket. Yes, it's breakfast time, and breakfast time is an important time in Chennai, a city which wakes up early, and we're here in the heart of the city in Ananda Restaurant. I'm joined by lots of people who have gathered to have breakfast with me. As you can see, my focus has been on the dosa, which is the best way to start the breakfast. Mohanji,
yes, sir, yes.
You had an idli I saw a little while ago, and now filter coffee.
Yeah, filter.
How often do you come here to this restaurant?
Monthly 3-4 times I used to
Monthly
come.
3-4 times. And can you ever do a morning in Chennai without filter coffee?
No. Morning, this is third coffee.
Can you ever do politics in Chennai without Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi?
No, not possible.
Not possible?
Not possible.
It will be one of the two only this time also?
Yeah, definitely.
No third person can emerge.
100%.
You know, that's the interesting thing in a sense about politics in Tamil Nadu. For 25 years and more, Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi have yo-yoed when it comes to the Chief Minister's chair. It dates back to 1989. No Chief Minister, interestingly, has been re-elected. So Jayalalitha is, in a sense, trying to defeat history, because the only one who did it was MGR in the late 70s and 80s. So she wants to emulate, in a sense, the founder of the AIADMK, MGR, or Anna as he is known. The question is, can Jayalalitha do an MGR, or will it be Karunanidhi, who's 93? He's 93 years old. You want a 93 years old Chief Minister, sir?
No, Jayalalitha will be better.
Jayalalitha, you think, will be better? The interesting part, of course, is that in the elections of 5 years ago, Jayalalitha had swept to power with a 2/3 majority. But this is not 2011. In 2016, it's a much tougher ride at the moment for Jayalalitha. There are voices of dissent, of anger, who believe that many of her policies, including her liquor policies, have just not worked this time in Tamil Nadu. So it's a tougher race. I'm going to ask the gentleman here. He says Jayalalitha over Karunanidhi. What about you?
Jayalalitha, right now Jayalalitha over Karunanidhi. Earlier it was equal situation, neck to neck, but
It's neck to neck now?
it was neck to neck, but now suddenly during the last 3-4 days, the situation has changed because of some freebies and soaps and all those things. So suddenly it has swung in favor of Jayalalitha.
Freebies. I must ask you, this young man is a chartered accountant here in front of me. Tell me, you like the idea of freebies, free laptops, free internet, 50% off on scooters if you're a woman, working woman you're not. But I mean this entire freebie culture, do you like it? Use the right thing?
Youth would definitely get attracted to it first.
You get attracted. Isn't it a bribe? Aren't you being bribed with these freebies?
But still, right now the scenarios are such that they're getting attracted to it.
What about you? You're a young girl who's a journalism student. Do you think this freebie culture is good? Do you like the idea that you're given free internet, free mobile phones, free power, you'll get gold also if you want free?
No, I think it's a bad one because, people are getting influenced by that way. So they should not give that.
You don't want a freebie. What about you here?
I am not impressed with the freebies at all. A scooty is not going to buy my vote.
It's a way of buying votes, you think? Interesting. Yes. Yes, what do you want to say? Go ahead.
Both they are doing for vote banking only. Nowadays
It's only vote bank politics.
vote banking only. Nowadays everybody is having internet facility, mobile phone and everything.
So you don't need a mobile phone from the government?
Nothing.
What do you want from the government really?
For Chennai, they need the revamp of all the rivers to be connected and the rivers to be cleaned properly, and they have to maintain the entire city in a proper
So
manner.
that you don't have a repeat of the floods of 6 months ago.
Yes, there is no plan for this. Last 1 month back, there was completely affected by this.
All right, we'll try going back to Rajdeep in just a short moment. I believe there's a technical connection problem over there, connecting with him. He was interacting with students, he was interacting with the elderly. We will in fact go back to him in just a short moment, but this is a conversation he is having with the people there over breakfast. What they are saying, most of those people actually are suggesting that it is difficult to buy their votes. It is difficult to buy their votes with freebies.